Hello and welcome to MATHEMAGIC, world's #1 math tutorial channel. In our last video I had asked you this question. So in this video we will discuss it. So let's start the video. Without wasting any time. To determine the next number in the series, let's examine the pattern between the given numbers. To identify the pattern, we observe that each number is obtained by adding the next natural number in the sequence. Let's break it down. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 6 plus 4 equals 10. So, to find the next number in the series, we need to add 5 to the last number, which is 10. That is 10 plus 5 equals 15. Therefore, the next number in the series is 15. Do like, share and subscribe.